In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to export code from Framer by using the React Export plugin. Framer is a tool that allows you to design and prototype digital experiences. One of the great features it offers is the ability to export your designs as codes, specifically React codes. To achieve this, we will need to install a plugin called React Export. Let's start by searching for the plugin. You will need to navigate to the Framer Marketplace. This is a store filled with numerous plugins, all aimed at enhancing your creative capability. Here, you will find the search bar. Type React Export into the bar and hit the search button. The React Export plugin should appear among the results. Go ahead and install the plugin and get ready to create some magic. With the plugin successfully installed, we move to the next phase of our tutorial, which is to design your component. You need to construct the user interface element you intend to export in Framer. This could be any element ranging from buttons, dialog boxes, menus, input areas, and so much more. The element you design is up to your project need or your creative whim. So get creative and design, knowing fully well that whatever you design can be seamlessly exported as a React component. Having designed your desired component, it's time to run the command line interface, also known as the CLI. This process is crucial because it is through this that we get to download our component as a React file that comes with .dtes files for robust type checking. So here is how we go about it. First, select the component that you designed and want to export. Once selected, proceed to run the Unframer CLI. This action triggers the plugin to commence the download of your selected component as React files coupled with .dtes files for easy type checking. All right, we're now in the home stretch. We've designed, we've selected, and we've downloaded. Now it's time to integrate. In this final stage, you get to use your generated React components in your project. All that's needed is to drop them into the right places in your code. These components are neat, precise, and error-free thanks to the type-checking .dts files included. And there you have it. You have successfully exported Framer design components as React codes. It's safe to say that you've added a significant tool to your creative toolkit. Now, go forth. Choose your Framer components, export them as neat React codes, and witness your designs come alive in your next project.